What's up, guys? I'm Juliana. We're here at Iron Night Gym, and today I'm going to go through a squat checklist with you so when you know what to do for the next squat day. All right, so first things first, I'm going to make sure that I have the right rack height for myself. I want to make sure that it's not too high, so I have to go up on my toes to come out, and it's not too low that I'm already starting off in a low squat. So I already have my rack height. You can see here when I come under, I'm able to come out and walk right out just like that. That's what we want. All right, so for my hand positioning, I try to put my thumbs about right here and come around just like this. I'm gonna come under. I do kind of like a hybrid between high bar and low bar. I'm gonna make sure I'm here, tuck my elbows in slightly to engage my lats. When I come up, I'm gonna take a bracing breath, just like this, walk out, just like this. We are not walking too far out. I like to put my toes out just slightly like this so that my knees can track over my toes. I'm gonna brace and come down like this. We wanna make sure that our hip crease is below our knee and then come on up just like that.